Hey guys, what up? This is YouTube, right? Yeah. So right now we're still in Mexico. We're taking a video. We're in a boat. This is fun. This is awesome. You guys, I want to show you guys how fun this is. Woo! Oh shoot! I think we're moving. This is my grandpa's. You guys know? That's Eli on the other side. Say hi, Eli.
Yeah, you want me to get water?
Oh my gosh, this is scary. This thing moves side to side. I am so scared. Tengo miedo. Ay. Look at those people. We should have got to one of those, but they're more expensive. And these are faster and cooler. Fast and cool. So I think we're gonna go over there, and we only get an hour if it's, oh, they wet me. If we're past an hour, we have to pay extra. Look at my little toe. I got hurt. So yeah. Está hondo, Eli. Oh, this is fun and scary. Especially since I'm a very sensitive guy. I'm very scared right now. A las dos, row your boat gently down the lake. Merrily, life is like the lake. Row your boat gently down the lake. Merrily, life is like a lake. Row your boat gently down the lake. Merrily, life is like a lake. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, life is like a dream. Oh my gosh, this is scary. Well, I gotta go cry of fear, so peace out.